Okay guys, it's a new Oneplus X just delivered from Amazon.in. So today we are doing an unboxing of it. Pretty decent packing. So you can see it is shipped today. Really good packing. There you go, Oneplus X. Manufactured 2010, assembled in China. It's known. You can see the X logo on it. It's the Onyx version. Get only on the phone.